Social networks are one of the most profitable ways to make money online in the world. Social networks such as Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and etc. Video is one of the most popular and attractive posts on social networks that many people use to promote their businesses. Many people do video marketing services for different businesses on social networks and earn good money with these methods. But in today's video, I want to show you how you can make money online without any knowledge about making videos. Stay with my video tutorial until the end. But before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification. Promo.com. It is one of the biggest sites that works in the field of producing professional videos in social networks like Facebook. In fact, people who register on this site can produce videos related to their businesses in less than a few minutes. We can almost say that there are professional templates for most businesses on this site. One of the online businesses methods that many people around the world do through this site is to accept order for video producing for various businesses on social networks such as Facebook and Instagram. But the method I'm going to teach you today doesn't require you to make a video with this site. To start, you register in the affiliate marketing section on this site or log in through your Gmail account. And then you can negotiation with businesses owners by creating an attractive text on social networks such as Instagram or Facebook. You can have a very good monthly income through this site because some business owners buy monthly plans and because they have to news monthly. So you can have a great monthly income. Success in affiliate marketing site service products like promo is much faster than affiliate marketing store products. If you liked this tutorial, like it. Thank you for watching the video. Subscribe to channel and click on the notification bell smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.